Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Make It Yourself. In today's tutorial we are going to learn how to make this beautiful triangle shawl or scarf. It is a very simple pattern. This shawl is very versatile and can be styled or worn in a number of ways. There are numerous YouTube videos showing how to wear a triangle shawl. Today I'm just trying to show you few ways of how to wear this triangle shawl. Here I have pinned it in the center to wear it like a poncho. You can also use a belt to style it even better. Here I am just wearing it like a normal shawl. You can use a brooch on the side to uh, keep the shawl in its place. And here I'm wearing it as a scarf, so during the winters you can turn it into a neck warmer or a neck scarf. To make the shawl, I'm using acrylic yarn and a hook of 3.5 mm. For more details, please refer the description. We're going to start by making a magic ring. To make a magic ring, we'll wrap the yarn around the finger twice and then pull the yarn and make a chain. So we're going to make a chain of 4 over this magic ring. So since we have already made one chain, we're going to make 2, 3 and 4. So we've made chain of 4 and then we're going to make 4 treble crochet into the magic ring. So to make a treble crochet, we'll be yarning over twice. So we'll be yarning over twice and then we'll pull through 1 time, 2 time and 3 time. So the first chain of 4 can be considered as a first treble crochet. So after that we are making 4 more treble crochets here. And then we are going to make a chain of 2. And make 5 more treble crochets. So we have 5 treble crochet on one side and 5 treble crochet on the other side of the chain of 2. This is the second treble crochet, third one, fourth and the last one, which is the fifth. So with this we complete one fan pattern. So this is a fan kind of pattern. So we'll pull the tail to close the magic ring. So this is one fan which we have completed. So this is the base of the triangle. Now we are going to make a chain of 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and then turn our work. And now we're going to make 1 double crochet into the first chain. So we have this chain of 7, so into the first chain we're going to make 1 double crochet. So after this we're going to make a chain of 5. And into the chain 2 space which we had of the previous row, we are going to make 1 single crochet in this space. So we are going to make another chain of 5 for the other side. And then we are going to make one double crochet into the third chain of the last stitch. So this is a chain of 3, the last stitch is a chain of 3. So into the third stitch we are going to make one double crochet here, and then we are going to make a chain of 3, and then we are going to make one treble crochet into the same stitch, that is the third chain of the last stitch. So here if you see, we have made 2 triangles on the 2 edges. So we're going to chain 4 for the next round and then turn our work. So into this first triangle we are going to make our first fan pattern. So for that we are going to make 4 treble crochet, and the 4th treble crochet. After that we are going to make a chain of 2, chain 1, chain 2, and 4 more treble crochet into the same triangle space. Second treble crochet, third treble crochet, and then the 4th treble crochet. So we have completed one fan structure into the cornermost triangle. So then we are going to make one single crochet over the chain 5, and then we are going to chain 3, and then on the other side we have the chain of 5. Over there we are going to make one more single crochet. So now we are going to make another fan pattern on the other side, the small triangle that we have there. So we are going to make 4 treble crochet first, the second treble crochet, third treble crochet, and the 4th treble crochet. Then we are going to make a chain of 2, and for the last part we are going to make 5 treble crochet. So the pattern is basically the same, but for the first and the last fan pattern we'll be having 5 treble crochets for the last one. So here you can see we have 5 treble crochet while we are ending the row. Next we are going to make a chain of 7 and then turn. So here you can see we had started in the first row with one fan pattern, and when we move to the second row we are having 2 fan patterns here. So here we are going to make one double crochet into the first chain. So when we do this we get a small triangle at the starting of the row. Then we are going to make a chain of 5, and into the chain 2 space we are going to make one single crochet and then make another chain of 5. Now into this small triangle, here we are going to make first one double crochet, then a chain of 3 and one more double crochet in the same space. Then we are going to make a chain of 5 and into the chain 2 space we are going to make one single crochet and a chain of 5, and at the end we are going to make again one small triangle for our last fan. So here we are going to make one double crochet into the last stitch, and then we are going to make a chain of 3 and then make one treble crochet into the same stitch. So here we have 3 spaces, 1, 2 and 3 triangle spaces to create the fan pattern into. So we're going to chain 4 and turn. So this chain 4 acts as the first treble crochet, and then we are going to make 4 treble crochet, chain 2 and 4 treble crochet. So as I said, for the first, when we begin the row for the fan pattern, we do a chain of 4, which can be considered as the first treble crochet, and after that we have 4 more treble crochet, which means a total of 5. But after that we will be doing only 4 treble crochets, and when we reach the last fan pattern we will end it with a 5 treble crochet. So only at the beginning and at the end we have a 5 treble crochet for the fan pattern. For the fan pattern in between we will be using only 4 treble crochet. So here we completed the fan pattern, so we are going to make one single crochet over the chain of 5 and then make a chain of 3 and then make one single crochet over the next chain of 5 and then into the next triangle space we are going to make another fan pattern. So here we'll, as I said, for the middle ones we'll be using only 4 treble crochet and chain 2 and 4 treble crochet. Chain 2 and 4 treble crochet again. So the reason we are using 4 treble crochet for the fan pattern in the middle is because the chain of 5, which is there from the previous row, that looks like the last, that is the 5th treble crochet. So we do not need the 5th treble crochet. So this chain of 5 appears like the 5th treble crochet. So for the middle ones we do not use, we do not make a 5th treble crochet. Only for the starting and the ending we use the 5th treble crochet. So here, as you can see, this is the last fan pattern and we are making 4 treble crochet and then we are making a chain of 2, and as you can see we are ending it with a 5 treble crochet. Going to chain 2 and make 5 more treble crochet in the same space. So as you can see here, for the first one we have one fan pattern, then for the second one we have two, and the last one we have three. So it will keep on increasing as we continue this pattern. The number of fan patterns will keep on increasing, and we will end up creating a giant triangle. So you can repeat this pattern until you have the size that is comfortable for you. So as you can see, we have kept on increasing on these sides, and we have a large shawl here. So we're basically just repeating the same pattern. I hope you are able to follow this pattern and make yourself a beautiful shawl. If there are any doubts, please message me in the comment section and I'll be happy to help. Do subscribe to my channel if you found this useful. Also click on the bell icon for notifications and give me a thumbs up if this was a useful video for you. Thank you very much for watching.